Hey loves, it's Chrissy, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this Z Gallery inspired canvas art to go in my living room. Go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and keep watching. Okay. So these are the products you would need to achieve this particular look. I will list them by name in the description box. Most of these items can be found at your local Walmart or Hobby Lobby. Those are the two places that I got my materials from. So yeah. I'm going to start off spray painting my canvas. This is a 24 by 36 canvas. I got this from Hobby Lobby. I bought two of them. They were regular price $24.99 each, but they had them on sale for 50% off, so I paid $12.50 each. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and coat that, well, one side of it with the silver paint. And don't worry about those lines that you see from the back, the wood that's on the back. It will go away. So now I'm going to go ahead and pour the black paint into a bowl. I suggest you don't do this over top of your canvas, just in case you get it somewhere that you didn't mean to place it. This was not very smart. Luckily, I didn't get it anywhere on the canvas. Also, I did have to dilute it with water. For some reason, this paint was really thick, like gel type. But yeah, I just put a little water in it and mixed it up. So I did let the paint sit and dry for about 10 minutes, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. I was on my phone, on Instagram, doing a whole bunch of stuff. So once it's dry, you can go ahead and start painting with the black if you're doing it this way, or whatever color you choose to do. It's no particular way. It doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't have to be neat. So yeah, I just started doing light strokes until I got comfortable, and then I just started, you know, slapping it on there. I want to just point out that I had no idea what I was doing. I was just winging it. I knew what look I wanted. I didn't necessarily know how I was going to achieve it, okay? So I am doing these little strokes on the side because I want it to look like, I don't know, grass hair or something coming out. I don't know. Just got my creative juices flowing. And yeah, so you're going to see me stroking and stroking and stroking, and I'm going to do the other side as well. I did forget to put this next product on display at the beginning. I've had this Mod Podge for probably about 3-4 years. It's been sitting in my closet and I never used it. So here it is. And I'm going to be, you gotta wait for the paint to dry. Once the paint dries, you can go ahead and apply the Mod Podge. This is what you're gonna use to, as like glitter adhesive, if you will. Yeah. So I'm placing the Mod Podge in one spot at first because I don't know, I was getting comfortable, okay? So I'm going to be using the fine glitter, the finest glitter I have, and I'm going to be putting that on the outside, and then I'm going to go to the medium towards the inner side, and then the inner side is going to be the large flakes, the foil flakes. I don't know, I felt like it would look better that way if I had like a gradient effect with the glitter, you know? So here you're gonna see me go crazy with the Mod Podge. I got a feel for things, I know what I want, so I'm just gonna go ahead and coat the whole section of black with the Mod Podge. All right, so now that we have the entire black section coated, as you can see, I didn't do the same thing that I did on the other side. I wanted that side to be totally black. But I'm going in with the medium size glitter on the outskirts. And then I'm going to go ahead with the foil flakes as I said I would and put that in the middle. Now, I wish I wouldn't have put as much so that you can see more of the black through the flakes. So that's one thing that I really wanted you to be able to see the black up under the foil flakes. And I actually put too much. So that was one thing I would do differently. But I still like the way it came out. At this point, I was still trying to figure out what I wanted to do, and I decided that I was going to put glitter on both of the end pieces. So I'm going in with these really rough strokes on the end just to look like icicles. Girl, I don't know. Do what you want. And I'm going to go in with the fine glitter and put that on the ends of the piece. Now that I'm finished with applying the glitter, I'm going to take the canvas and just dump it over my balcony. Don't do this, okay? I'm not telling you to do this. I just decided to do it because I had nowhere else to put it. Like, where else was it going to go? It wasn't going back in my house. So this was the only other option. So yeah, it is what it is. Moving forward, I'm dumping the glitter off the canvas and we're going to see how it looks. I'm actually not done putting the finishing touches on it, but for some reason I felt it necessary to apply the sealant, the clear satin sealant on the canvas. But later on I'm actually gonna go and go back over that one side that the black grass looking stuff was at, and I'm gonna put black back over top of it. You're gonna see me point to it here. I'm gonna go and back and put black on it. I just don't like how the glitter was applied. I love it now though. This is the finishing look. I did make 2 of them and I'm just so happy. It's so odd, it's so me. So yeah, I do want to thank you all for watching this video. I'm going to go ahead and hang these paintings up on the sides of my patio doors and you're going to see how it looks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please, please, please subscribe, leave a comment, like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.